Consider the curves y equals to x square plus 2 and y equals to 10 minus x square. Let theta be the angle between both the curves at point of intersection. Then find modulus of tan theta. And the options are 8 by 15, 5 by 17, 3 by 17 and 8 by 17. So the answer is, so x square plus 2 will be equal to 10 minus x square. So here x will be equal to plus minus 2 and y be equal to 4 after solving the equations. So point of intersection of curves is plus minus 2 comma 4. So y will be equal to x square plus 2 and y will be equal to 10 minus x square. Differentiating this equation, we will get dy by dx equals to 2x and dy by dx will be equal to minus of 2x, and dy by dx at plus minus 2 comma 4 will be equal to plus minus 4, and that will be equal to m1, and dy by dx at plus minus 2 comma 4 will be minus plus 4, that will be m2. So tan theta will be 8 upon 1 minus 16, that will be 8 by 15. So the answer is option 1.